Rise and shine, Mr. Freeman. Rise and shine. Not that I wish to imply you have been sleeping on the job. No one is more deserving of a rest, and all the effort in the world would have gone to waste until... well, let's just say your hour has come again. The right man in the wrong place can make all the difference in the world. So wake up, Mr. Freeman. Wake up and smell the ashes.
I didn't see you get on. It's my third transfer this year. No matter how many times I've been relocated, I didn't get used to it. Well, end of the line.
Welcome to City 17. You have chosen, or been chosen, to relocate to one of our finest remaining urban centers.
All right, I'm moving.
I thought so much of City 17 that I elected to establish
You ever see them go?
my administration here, in the citadel so thoughtfully provided by our own family. I've been proud to call City 17 my home.
Me?
And so, whether you are here to stay or passing through welcome to City 17. It's safe.
This must be a mistake. I got a standard relocation coupon just like everybody else.
I'm gonna need me some privacy for this.
About that beer I owed you. It's me, Gordon, Barney from Black Mesa. Hey, sorry for the scare. I had to put on a show for the cameras. I've been working undercover with civil protection. I can't take too long or they'll get suspicious. I'm way behind on my beating quota.
Yes, Barney, what is it? I'm in the middle of a critical test.
Sorry, Doc, but look who's here.
Great Scott! Gordon Freeman! I expected more warning.
Yeah, you and me both, Doc. He was about to board the express to Nova Prospect.
Well, Barney, what do you intend?
I'm thinking.
Alex is around here, somewhere. She would have a better idea how to get him here.
Well, as long as he stays away from checkpoints, we should be okay. Listen, I gotta go, Doc. We're taking enough chances as it is.
Very well. And, Gordon, good to see you.
Okay, Gordon. You're gonna have to make your own way to Dr. Kleiner's lab. Oh, man, that's what I was afraid of. Get in here, Gordon, before you blow my cover. Pile up some stuff to get through that window and keep going till you're in the plaza. I'll meet up with you later.
Let me read a letter I recently received. Dear Dr. Gordon, as the seem fit to suppress our reproductive cycle. Sincerely, a concerned citizen. Thank you for writing, sir. Of course, your question touches on one of the basic biological impulses, with all its associated hopes and fears for the future of the species. I also want to
always starts. First the building, then the whole block. They have no reason to come to our place. Don't worry, they'll find one. Oh, I thought you were Tom.
He's one of us. I told you they'd be coming for us next.
This one's
I can't take it anymore.
Everything's gonna be okay.
What are we going to do?
We'll think of something.
When is it all going to end?
Don't worry.
Please.
Attention, residents. Miscount detected in your block. Cooperation with your security
For the
protection.
roof! There's no time to lose!
Full ration reward. Citizen notice. Failure to cooperate will result in permanent
Get in here, quick!
off-world
Keep moving!
relocation.
For the roof!
Over here! Ha! No, you don't!
Dr. Freeman, I presume.
Attention, please.
You better hurry.
Unidentified person of interest.
The Combine can be slow to wake, but once they're up, you don't want to get in their way.
Protection team immediately.
Dr. Kleiner said you'd be coming this way. I don't think it occurred to him that you might not have a map. I'm Alex Vance. My father worked with you back in Black Mesa. I'm sure you don't remember me, though. Man, a few words, aren't you? Remember him from Black Mesa? Your old administrator. Don't get my dad started on Dr. Breen. Through here. Killer. We've been helping people escape the city on foot. It's a dangerous route to my father's lab, through the old canals. Today, we're finally on the verge of having a better way. Here,